Cryptocurrency is digital money. It's like online cash. People use it to buy and sell things on the internet. Bitcoin is a famous example of cryptocurrency. It's decentralized, meaning no bank or government controls it. Cryptocurrency works using blockchain technology. Think of blockchain as a digital record book. It keeps track of all cryptocurrency transactions. It's very secure and transparent. Many people are excited about cryptocurrency. They believe it's the future of money. But like anything online, there are risks involved. It's crucial to be aware of crypto scams. Cryptocurrency is still new. Many people are just learning about it. This makes it a prime target for scammers. They take advantage of people's lack of knowledge. Scammers are clever. They come up with new ways to trick people. They often promise unrealistic returns. They create fake websites and social media accounts. They might even impersonate real crypto companies. It's important to remember, if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Always be cautious when dealing with cryptocurrency. Don't let scammers take your hard-earned money. One of the biggest red flags in the world of investments is the promise of guaranteed high returns. These promises are often too good to be true and are a common tactic used by scammers to lure in unsuspecting investors. They prey on the desire for quick and easy money, knowing that many people are looking for ways to grow their wealth rapidly without understanding the risks involved. Scammers will often advertise investments that guarantee huge profits in a short amount of time. These advertisements are designed to catch your eye and make you think that you've stumbled upon a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. They use flashy graphics, bold claims, and testimonials that seem convincing but are often fabricated. They might say things like, double your money in a week, or make a fortune overnight. These statements are designed to create a sense of urgency and excitement, making you feel like you need to act quickly before the opportunity disappears. However, these promises are rarely, if ever, fulfilled. Another common phrase you might see is guaranteed 100% returns. This is a clear indication that the investment is not legitimate. No credible investment can guarantee such high returns without any risk. The reality is that all investments come with some level of risk, and the higher the potential return, the higher the risk involved. Remember, cryptocurrency is volatile. Its value goes up and down. The market can be unpredictable, and even the most experienced investors can't predict with certainty how it will perform. This volatility is part of what makes investing in cryptocurrency both exciting and risky. No one can guarantee specific returns. If someone claims they can, they are either lying or they don't understand the nature of the market. It's important to approach such claims with a healthy dose of skepticism and to do your own research before making any investment decisions. If someone promises you guaranteed profits, it's a major warning sign. This is a tactic often used by scammers to build trust and make you feel secure in your investment. However, it's crucial to remember that there are no guarantees in the world of investing, and anyone who says otherwise is likely trying to deceive you. Stay away from such schemes. It's better to miss out on a potential opportunity than to fall victim to a scam. Always take the time to thoroughly investigate any investment opportunity and be wary of anything that seems too good to be true. Legitimate investments always come with risks. Understanding these risks and being prepared for them is a key part of successful investing. It's important to balance the potential rewards with the potential risks and to make informed decisions based on thorough research and analysis. Don't fall for the trap of guaranteed returns. These promises are often a sign of a scam, and falling for them can result in significant financial loss. Always be cautious and critical of any investment opportunity that seems too good to be true. Do your research and invest wisely. Take the time to understand the investment, the market, and the risks involved. Seek advice from trusted financial advisors and make decisions based on solid information and careful consideration. By doing so, you can protect yourself from scams and make informed investment choices that have the potential to grow your wealth over time. Scammers often use pressure tactics to manipulate their victims. They know that when people feel rushed or stressed, they are more likely to make hasty decisions without fully thinking things through. This is why creating a sense of urgency is one of their favorite strategies. They create a sense of urgency to rush you into making a decision. You might see a countdown timer on a website or receive a message that says you only have a few hours to act. This artificial deadline is designed to make you feel like you have no time to waste. They might say things like, "This offer is only available for a limited time," or act now before it's too late. These statements are meant to create a fear of missing out, also known as FOMO, which can cloud your judgment and make you act impulsively. They might also say, "You'll miss out on a huge opportunity if you don't invest now." This kind of language is designed to make you feel like you're on the verge of losing something valuable, even if the opportunity isn't real. Scammers might also try to appeal to your emotions in other ways. They know that people are more likely to make decisions based on feelings rather than logic, especially when it comes to money. They might share stories of others who have become rich through their scheme. These success stories are often fabricated or exaggerated to make the scam seem more legitimate and enticing. They want you to act impulsively without thinking things through. By appealing to your desire for quick wealth or success, they hope to bypass your critical thinking and get you to commit before you realize it's a scam. Don't let anyone pressure you into making a financial decision. It's important to recognize these tactics and take a step back when you feel rushed or emotionally manipulated. Take your time, do your research, and consult with someone you trust. Making informed decisions is the best way to protect yourself from scams and ensure that your financial choices are sound and well considered. Section 5. Red Flag 3. Anonymous developers and teams. Legitimate cryptocurrency projects are transparent. They have public teams with identifiable developers. You can easily find information about their experience and background. Scammers, on the other hand, operate in the shadows. They hide their identities. They might use fake names or stolen photos. They don't want to be held accountable for their actions. Before investing in any cryptocurrency project, research the team behind it. If you can't find any information about them, it's a huge red flag. Section 6. Red Flag 4. Fake testimonials and endorsements. Scammers often use fake testimonials and endorsements to build credibility. They might create fake social media accounts or pay people to leave positive reviews. Don't believe everything you read online. Scammers are good at creating the illusion of legitimacy. They might even use logos of well-known companies without their permission. Always verify information from independent sources. Look for reviews from reputable websites and forums. Don't rely solely on testimonials provided by the project itself. Section 7. Red Flag 5. Suspicious investment platforms. Scammers often create their own investment platforms. These platforms might look professional, but they are designed to steal your money. Be wary of platforms that require you to send cryptocurrency to an unknown address. Legitimate exchanges will have secure wallets with proper verification processes. Always use reputable cryptocurrency exchanges and wallets. Don't trust platforms that you haven't thoroughly researched. Section 8. Verifying legitimate crypto opportunities. So, how can you verify if a crypto opportunity is genuine? With the rise of cryptocurrencies, it's crucial to distinguish between legitimate projects and potential scams. The crypto world is filled with both promising opportunities and deceptive schemes. Knowing how to verify the authenticity of a crypto opportunity can save you from significant financial loss and stress. Here are some practical tips to help you navigate this complex landscape and make informed decisions. Do your research. Take the time to research the project, team, and technology thoroughly. Look into the project's white paper, which should clearly outline the goals, technology, and roadmap. Investigate the team members' backgrounds and their previous work in the industry. A strong, transparent team is often a good indicator of a legitimate project. Check online reviews. Look for reviews and discussions on reputable cryptocurrency forums and websites. Platforms like Reddit, Bitcoin Talk, and specialized crypto news sites can provide valuable insights. Be cautious of overly positive reviews, as they might be paid promotions. Instead, focus on balanced, detailed reviews that discuss both the pros and cons. Consult with experts. If you're unsure, seek advice from financial advisors or cryptocurrency experts. They can provide a professional perspective and help you understand the risks involved. Joining crypto communities and attending webinars or conferences can also be beneficial. Networking with experienced investors can offer you practical advice and first-hand experiences. Start small. If you decide to invest, start with a small amount that you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile, and it's wise to test the waters before making significant investments. This approach allows you to learn and adapt without risking substantial amounts of money. Be patient. Don't expect to get rich quickly. Legitimate investments take time to grow. The crypto market can be unpredictable, and patience is key. Monitor your investments regularly and stay updated with market trends. Remember, successful investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Section 9. Stay safe in the crypto world. The cryptocurrency world can be exciting and potentially profitable, but it's essential to be aware of the risks involved. Scammers are constantly evolving their tactics. Always stay vigilant and informed. Remember, if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Don't let greed cloud your judgment. By being cautious and following these tips, you can protect yourself from crypto scams and enjoy a safe and rewarding experience in the world of cryptocurrency.